What's he doing?
I see.
Is he sleeping? Yeah.
He's a cute guy.
He is a cute guy. Say, hello, Timothy. Hello. That's his tummy. Tummy. Oh, he didn't like that. It's like, leave me alone. Stop touching me. He's got nice soft hair, huh?
Yeah.
Nice soft skin.
Mom, when he first took a bath, it wasn't that soft.
Now it is. When he first came out of the bath, it was sticking up everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, your hair was sticking up everywhere.
Mm.
Yes, it was. I don't know how you can sleep through all this. There's his tummy.
They like to sleep a lot.
They do like to sleep a lot.
He won't eat. He won't eat.
Nope. He just wants to sleep.
I sit.
You want to sit?
Just wants to sleep and sleep
Yeah.
I sit.
You want to sit with a pillow?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Dad's being her on.
Okay.
Monkey just
Squeaked.
Papa.
Did you squeak?
Papa.
You want to hold the baby?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me put his blanket on him.
Sing.
Alright, let's wrap him up. So he's nice and warm. Huh. Yeah. Get you nice and warm. Hang on.
Did I hold him first since I asked first?
Well, your sister actually asked first.
No, Mom, remember the other time?
You want to sit with Timothy?
Yeah, it's okay.
You going to sit on the bed or on the chair over here?
I'm gonna sit on the bed with her.
Lean up, Timothy. Lean up against with like your sister.
Let me let your sister hold him first. And then you can do it.
Hold your arms like this.
Okay, how do you hold the baby? Put your arms out.
Like this. Like this.
There you go. Lean up.
Like this.
You want to go see your sister? Here. Hold your hand like that. There you go. There we go. You're holding the baby. Yeah, he's got nice soft hair, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have the other camera too?
I mean, I have it.
Yeah, that's his hair. You used to have hair like that. Yeah, there's your hair. You both had hair like this.
Not now.
No, it's different. It all fell out. Well, yours fell out.
Sisters.
Your sister had a strip that went whoop, right like that. Right down the middle. And that's all she had.
But his
The
dad.
baby. What's he doing?
His dad.
He's sleeping. Tubby time? Oh, his tummy? Yep, there's his tummy. He's a sleepy little guy.
Mom,
What?
when he gets bigger, we'll be able to wash him in the bath.
That's right. He can take a bath with you.
Wait,
What?
I didn't mean that.
There's mommy's hair. There's Tiffany's hair. Daddy's hair. Look real close.
Mom, you know what?
What?
I meant we'll be able to wash him in the sink.
You can wash in the sink. All right, should we let Timothy hold the baby?
Yeah.
Timothy's turn. Let me hold it. You can hold the baby again later.
No, it's my turn, Mom.
Yeah, your turn. Get all the way up on the bed. watching. How you doing?
How are you doing?
There you go. You sitting with your brother? There's the baby.
Want to pet his hair?
Oh, it's Timothy's turn to hold him. Oh, are you giving him back? Should we get you dressed?